Hey everybody, I'm Julia Ebner here at the first inaugural Bytes and Bytes workshop event. We're inviting customers, prospects alike to come and grab a nice lunch at Ruth's Chris, enjoying a nice steak, as well as getting a cybersecurity brief from our president and CISO, Dave Moorman, looking to feed people's bellies and brains and arming them with the best cybersecurity practices to keep their businesses safe.
Hi, my name is Renee Seals. I am with Dahlgren and Rupert. And this workshop was a great opportunity to kind of dive into the cybersecurity side and see what they offer for managed security with Novatech. It was very informative, and I definitely am glad I took the opportunity to come.
Hi, Dave Moorman here from Novatech. Today we're in downtown Columbia talking about cybersecurity, some of the things they can do and technologies and processes they can implement to figure out how we can make our customers more secure. So we're going to be doing this on a road show in all of our markets throughout 2024 and look forward to seeing you.